Hello everyone. In this video, now I am going to show you how to download and install Turbo C. That is to use C and C++. First of all, we need internet connection. As my cursor is moving down to the taskbar at the right corner bottom, here it is showing you network internet access. Internet access means you might be connected to the internet. That means you have to connect to the internet. After that, we can able to download it. So now open Google Chrome. See, before downloading Turbo C, we need to install a small software that is called WinRAR. Open Google as I have kept open. Then type here just WinRAR. You will get all the options as required. You can also click for WinRAR download also. As I am using Windows 11 64-bit, so I will click on this option. This link will be opened. Then click on this option, download WinRAR. Click on this link. Then you will be redirected to this page. After that, just click on WinRAR button. Then it will be downloaded like this. Click on this folder option beside, here it is. So click on it. Then you will be redirected to your downloads folder. Here WinRAR is downloaded. Double click on this. Then click on S option after downloading. Okay. Then click install. Toggle everything. Okay. Don't remove. Keep toggle everything. Then click on OK. Then also done. Like this, we need to install WinRAR. Afterwards, I will tell you why I have made you to install WinRAR. Now, just type here again Google. Okay, type here Google. Then start the Google page. Here now we are downloading Turbo C. Type here Turbo C7. Okay, as I'm moving cursor here, Turbo C7 download. Okay. Click on this link, Turbo C7 download. See, here you will get this link, Turbo C7 by Aki. Okay, click on this link. You will be redirected to this page. Here, click on this download now button. Then it starts downloading. Wait for a few seconds. It will automatically start the downloading. If not started, then click here. See, it has been started. Now downloading here. I am showing you with my cursor here. See, after downloading, it is showing like this. Setup Turbo C7. Click on this folder. Then you have entered your downloads folder. Okay. Now minimize it. You have to do one thing. Minimize everything. You have to do one thing. Open this PC or the computer. Then anywhere. Okay. Open and create a new folder and make it as Turbo C7. Okay, I will tell you why we are creating this folder. Close it, no need. Then again go to Google Chrome or downloads. Okay, click here. Your option is there, download. See, then click on this folder, show folder option. Then you have entered your downloads. Double click on setup Turbo C7. See, it is asking you to open. Now it is opening in WinRAR. It will not open directly. We need to extract. So I had made you to install WinRAR before downloading Turbo C. Now click on extract to. Then this window will be opened. Where we have created Turbo C7 folder, we need to select. I have created in one of these drives, that is drive E. So I have clicked here, double click. Then I have got that Turbo C7. Okay, Turbo C7 I have got here. Click on that folder. Then click OK. After that, close this and close everything, whichever you have opened, close everything. Then go to this PC and open that drive where Turbo C7 folder is there. Then go to Turbo C7. You will get three options in that. The middle one, setup Turbo C7, you have to open. Double click on this. See, it will ask like this. Click on S. Then you will get this window where you can start installing. Okay, see, like this you have to install. Create a desktop icon, keep the check mark here, then install, again install. Okay, now it has been finished. Remove this check mark, click finish. Now minimize or close this. Then on our desktop we have got Turbo C7. If you want to work with that, double click on this. See, it is starting like this. It will start, and here you can able to do your programs. And in the next video, I will show you how to type and execute programs using C, Turbo C or C++. And in the description of this video, I am giving you both the links to download WinRAR as well as to download Turbo C7. In the next video, we will come with the working of C or C++ programs. Now I'm quitting this. So till then, thank you and keep subscribing.